severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm system will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Baltimore metro area and the surrounding KAC listening area. Rest of today, partly sunny. Isolated showers and thunderstorms early this afternoon, then scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty